BrainyBuyer.com presents another rapid-fire showdown. We crunch the specs, you make the call. Subscribing is the easiest way to keep this channel independent and data-driven. So I'm looking at these two Weber Grills, the Q1000 and the Genesis E-325S. Seems like they're aimed at different grilling styles, huh?
Definitely. The Q1000 is like super portable. It's small, runs on propane cylinders, and weighs only 27.5 pounds. Great for tailgating or camping. The Genesis, on the other hand, is a full-size natural gas grill. It's more of a backyard centerpiece.
Yeah, I noticed the Q1000 only has one burner, putting out 8,500 BTU. The cooking area is just 189 square inches. Good for a small family, maybe?
Exactly. While the Genesis E-325S doesn't list BTU, it has 3 burners and boasts an expandable cooking grate and extra-large prep and serve table. It's built for cooking a whole meal at once for a larger group.
And it looks like the Q1000 uses disposable propane cylinders, but you can get an adapter for a 20-pound tank. The Genesis is straight-up natural gas, so you need that connection.
Right. The Genesis is designed to be hooked up to your home's natural gas line. No swapping tanks. And it has Weber's crafted outdoor kitchen collection compatibility, so you can swap out grates for different cooking surfaces. Kind of like an all-in-one outdoor cooking station.
That's cool. The Q1000 has split grates, so you can use a griddle on one side, which is nice, but not as versatile. I see the Q1000 has porcelain enameled cast iron grates. What about the Genesis?
It also has cast iron grates. Both grills have push-button ignition, which is a must-have, and cast aluminum bodies. The Genesis has a larger cooking surface.
The Q1000 is available, but the Genesis E-325S is currently unavailable. That's a bummer if you wanted the bigger grill.
Yeah, availability is key. The Q1000 is also much cheaper, at $229. The Genesis doesn't have a listed price due to unavailability, but you can bet it's significantly more expensive.
Okay, so if I want something I can easily carry around and don't need to cook a huge amount of food, the Q1000 is the way to go. But if I'm planning on serious backyard grilling, the Genesis, once it's available, is the better choice.
Pretty much. It all comes down to your grilling needs and how much space you have.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.